Adding net labels. First, select the net label command, choose the net icon in the active bar or select place, then locate net label from the main menus. A net label will appear floating on the cursor. Then next, to edit the net label before it is placed, press Tab to open the Properties panel. Then third, type 12 volts or 12V in the net name field, then click the pause button to return to object placement. Then fourth, place the net label so that its hotspot, the bottom left corner, touches the uppermost wire on the schematic shown in this image. The cursor will change to a red cross when the net label is correctly positioned to connect to the wire. If the cross is light gray, it means there will not be a valid connection made. Then after placing the first net label, you will still be in net label placement mode. Press the Tab key again to edit the second net label in the Properties panel before placing it. Then 6, type GND in the net name field and press Enter to return to object placement mode. 7, place the net label so that the bottom left of the net label touches the lowermost wire on the schematic, just as shown in this image. Then right-click or press Escape to exit the net label placement mode. Then lastly, save your circuit and then the project locally. Right-click each file in the projects panel and select Save.